So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 4mm crochet hook. In the written pattern I have used a different yarn, which is loops and threads, thinner yarn number 3, and the same crochet hook. So you choose whichever you prefer. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 15. Okay. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make one single crochet. One single crochet in every stitch. Oops. Okay. And the last stitch, the last single crochet. So from the next row until row 15 I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna chain 1 and turn. One single crochet in the very first stitch over here. One single crochet in every stitch. And I'm gonna repeat for a total of 15 rows before we go to the next step. So here I have completed 25 rows of single crochet, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna work around this piece. So I'm gonna start by a single crochet around the whole piece. So I'm gonna chain 1, turn, and single crochet. So this is round 26 almost completed. Okay, and here we'll slip stitch. Okay, so this is round 26. Now from in round 27, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make single crochet together in every corner, all 4 corners. Single crochet together means a decrease. We're not gonna start here, this will be the last one to do. So I'm gonna chain 1, again single crochet till this corner, and from there I'll start the decrease. So now we're making our first decrease. I'm gonna insert my yarn into the stitch, pull through, insert it in the next stitch, pull through, and pull through all 3, and continue single crochet till the next corner. And again I'm gonna do another decrease, pull through, insert into the next stitch, pull through 3 loops, pull through all, and continue. Okay, so this is the one before the last decrease of this row. And this is where we started. Okay, so this was around row 27. Now from row 28 till 33, we're gonna make 2 decreases, 2 single crochet together twice. So again from this point we'll start, and we'll repeat it till round 33. So continue single crochet, So the first decrease, and the second decrease. It's before the previous decrease and after the previous decrease. We'll see again. Okay, so the previous decrease was here. What I'm gonna do in this 2 stitches before the decrease, I'm gonna make 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, and then add 2 more, like so. This is what we're gonna do for the next rounds, or rows, like I said, until row 33. So this is number 28. 5 more rows to go. I will finish all the rows and then I'll come back to show you what to do next. So here I'm done with all the rows till 33, or till I am left with only 1 stitch in between the decreases on the side. Now, as a last step, what I'm going to do is slip stitch in every stitch. Simply slip stitch till the end, till I'm back to the same point. And this is the last stitch, and I'm gonna fasten off and cut the thread. I'm gonna hide it. Okay, and this is my small tissue box. Depending on which yarn you use, you can get it even smaller than this. If you use a thinner yarn, this is a little big because I used medium worsted yarn, and I'll show you how to use it. So I've got my napkin box here. Very useful to put in your handbag or in your pocket if it's small enough. So I will just place the napkins here, and voila, you can pull napkin anytime on the go. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow and fun to make. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Just one more thing to emphasize, depending on the yarn you use, you get the width of your project. It's better to use cotton yarn or a thinner yarn than this, so you get a small pocket like the one in the written pattern that I have done in the written pattern. That's it for now. See you next time.